कार्यमित्येव यत्कर्म नियतं क्रियतेऽर्जुन सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा फलं चैव सत्यागः सात्विको मतः.
O Arjuna, when obligatory action is performed because it ought to be done, giving up attachment and also fruit, that tyaga is considered to be sattvika. So sattvika tyaga insists on performance of action. As we said yesterday, in the 3rd chapter, Krishna endorses it. He says, Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karma krit. Karyate hyavashak karma sarva prakriti jair gunehi. So he says, not for a split second can you stay without activity. The human mechanism is designed for action. If you choose to be inactive, there's death. And yet, for generations in the last few hundred years, our country has become what it is today because of sheer inactivity. We just gave up action. Where in the world did we pick that up from? I have no idea. Because the Gita again and again endorses, act, continue action, don't give up action. Sattvik tyaga, and he couldn't have put it more bluntly than this, is performance of action, giving up the two things that come in the way of excellence, and that is attachment to the action and anxiety for the fruit of action. If you have these two, it takes away from the action. You're not focusing on the action. You're not concentrating on the action. You're not giving your sarvasva, everything to that action. Therefore, you will fail because, as we saw yesterday, the present action itself is your future success or failure, is the fruit at a future period of time. So if you want the fruit to be sweet, to be successful, you have to be able to focus 100% on the action. If you don't, which could be because of attachment from the past or anxiety for the fruit, then what will happen is what happened to the Indian cricket team today. You know what happened? We lost by 7 wickets. And that's the interesting part, friends. The same team that came up with flying colors in Sri Lanka, outstanding results, go to New Zealand, flop, first game. Same thing happens with us. Occasionally, once in a while, we come up with brilliant action. Like the Oscars for Slumdog Millionaire. And then before you know what's happened, you slump into failure. Because we are unable to maintain that consistent focus on the present action. We are unable to maintain this sattvik tyag, which is performance of action, giving up anxiety, which comes from the, attachment, which comes from the past, anxiety, which emanates from the future. So if you're able to perform obligatory duties with the right attitude, which is dedication, no attachment from the past, no likes or dislikes, no desire that drives you. You just do it because you ought to do it, irrespective of whether you like it or not. And you're unconcerned with the fruit because the fruit that you're working for is beyond the world. As far as the world is concerned, you're not interested in the fruit. So therefore, what is the message? Disconnect the past, disconnect the future, and focus 100% on the present action, and success will be yours. So this is Sattvik Tyag, which is performance of obligatory action, letting go of attachment and anxiety. Verse 10.